Hello everyone, on the screen you see the annual returns for growth and value mutual funds from 1984 to 2018. In this video we are going to use R to construct line charts for growth and value. First we set the working directory. And next we are going to import the data into a data frame and label it my data. My data is equal to read.csv, open the parentheses in quotation mark, growth value.csv, and then control enter. We first use the plot function to create a line chart for the growth variable. We are going to use the options call to define the color of the marker, type to define the type of the plot, where letter L means line, and ylim to provide limits on the y-axis. And we also use the options main, xlab and ylab as we did before. So plot, open the parentheses, my data, and then we choose the growth, and concatenate my data and year. So we want to see the returns of growth fund over the years. Comma, main is used to title the chart. A line chart for the growth and value mutual funds. Next, we are going to use xlab to title the x-axis, which in this case it's year, and then ylab to title y-axis, which in this case annual returns. Next we use the call option to define the color. In this case it's blue. And next type of the graph is going to be L. That represents line chart. And ylim is equal to C -100 in vector 100. And that's it. And then control enter. Now you see under plots pane the annual returns for the growth fund. We then add a red line for the value mutual fund using the lines function. Lines, my data, and then we select this time value, concatenate my data, we select year. And then color this time is going to be red, and then type is equal to L, and then control enter. Now you can see under plots pane the red line represents the annual returns for the value funds. We then add a legend at the bottom of the line chart using the legend function. The LTY is equal to 1 option specifies that the legend is based on 2 solid lines. So we are going to enter legend bottom, so we want the legend to be bottom of the graph. Legend is equal to growth and value, and then color is blue for growth and then red for value, and LTY is equal to 1, and control enter. Now we have the legend on the screen, blue for growth and red for value. So the line chart here you see under plots menu compares the annual returns of growth and value mutual funds over a period of 35 years. In general, both funds tend to move in the same direction. However, during the dot-com bubble that occurred roughly between 1995 and 2000, the technology-heavy growth funds shows dramatically higher returns as compared to the value fund, which tends to favor traditional companies. The subsequent burst of the dot-com bubble shows a reversal of that trend. This is how you use R to construct a line chart. Thank you for watching.